you. Let it rain. Clap your hands. I'm not done preaching. So don't put away your Bibles. But I know when I sense and when I see and when I feel in the spirit abundance of rain in your drought areas. Rain for you too. Lift your hands. Lift your hands. You. Let it fall upon you too. In Jesus' mighty name. Let it rain. Fresh. Fresh, 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 fresh. Yes, Lord. Let it rain with fire too. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Ola masana. Yedebe shede. Masana. Yes, Lord. This is Tavis. You're going to be my armor bearer tonight. Come here. Just stand right there. Right there. And let that oil fall on you in that rain. I ain't gonna touch you. He gonna touch you. I'll take it. Let it fall on you like a waterfall. That's a resurrected tongue. Hey. Shit. Resurrect. Resurrect. Are y'all getting what God is saying tonight? Are you understanding what He's saying? Are you getting it? Online, are you getting what He's saying? Or are you still stuck?